channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my nail polish collection, and I'm so excited because I have been meaning to do this video for the longest time ever, but I actually have just been putting it off because it's a lot of nail polishes and it's gonna be a very long video. And actually one of my internet friends mentioned on my live to do it by brand, and I think that's such a great idea because like that I'm able to cut it up and also it won't be like such a long video. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna start with Essie, which I believe is going to be my biggest nail polish brand that I got, because Essie for the longest time has been my favorite nail polish brand. So I have a lot of Essie nail polishes, and also I have been buying Essie nail polishes since the end of time, like probably like 10 years now, since 2010, 2009, probably since 2009 I have been buying nail polishes. You guys can see they're sitting back here behind me in this nail polish rack. Most of them is Essie nail polishes. The last two are KO polishes, and then above that is all Essie. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of Essie polishes. So I decided to just start with the biggest one I got and then just tackle as I go, you know, from biggest to smallest. So we're gonna start with Essie, but yeah, if you guys want to see my Essie collection, then just keep on watching. Pure Pearlfection, Oui Madame, Adore-a-ble, Parisian Pink, Topless and Barefoot, Wild Nude, Buy Me a Cameo, Fiji, Muchi, Pink Diamond, A Cut Above, Eternal Optimist, Boom Boom Boom, Mod Square, Bachelorette Bash, Watermelon, Plumberry, In Stitches, Angora Cardi, Playdate, Splash of Grenadine, Big Spender, Jamaica Me Crazy, It's Genius, Haute Tube, Fear or Desire, Sunday Funday, Meet Me at Sunset, E-nuf is Enough, Leading Lady, Shearling Darling, Turquoise and Caicos, First Timer, Vibrant Vibes, The More the Merrier, Pretty Edgy, Sue Psyched, Naughty Nautical, In the Cabana, Trophy Wife, Borrowed and Blue, Lapis of Luxury, Beach Bum Blue, Blue Rhapsody, Avenue Maintain, Strut Your Stuff, Hide and Go Chick, Butler Please, Aruba Blue, Stroke of Brilliance, Midnight Cami, Reno Cool, Smoking Hot, Licorice, As Cold as It Gets, Golden Nuggets, Good as Gold, Beyond Cozy, Silver Bullions, Sage You Will Love Me, Tweel Seeker, and last but not least, Hang Up the Heels. Alright guys, so that was my Essie collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.